Hey guys, this is Gerald Bass Kicking Adventures. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite foods to eat. It is tuna steak, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to cook, and it's very cheap. It's also very healthy for you. I'll be cooking these in the Foreman grill. I've got it preheated, ready to go. My trusty kitchen scissors, my Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, 2 tuna steaks, and as you see right here, you're only looking at a few minutes and these things are done. It says 4 to 5 minutes in the Foreman grill. Yeah, it's probably closer to 4 minutes. I got 2 of these steaks for, I think it was $8. Look how beautiful that meat is, guys. And it is delicious. Alright guys, I got both of them well seasoned. Just going to put them right here on the grill. The Foreman grills work great for fish. Alright, and the internal temperature for these tuna fillets are 165. So in about 3 minutes, I'll check that. Alright guys, this is what it looks like 2 minutes into the George Foreman grill. Another couple minutes, she'll be done. Alright, let's see what kind of temperature we have on these bad boys. $165 is what we're looking for. Alright, so about another minute, we'll be done. Alright guys, there's a very healthy and delicious lunch. Tuna steak, shrimp, and I'm going to drink water with it. I woke up this morning, stepped on the scales. I'm now down to 203. When I started this carnivore diet, December 27th, 2023, I was 217 pounds. And this morning I was 203, you know, going into 5.5 weeks, something like that. Feel great. Love the food that I eat. I highly recommend it. And you know, if you guys don't want to do strictly carnivore, you know, 100% carnivore, just think about the things that you eat and try to cut out a lot of the, especially the snacks, processed foods, soft drinks. You know, just cut that stuff out. And I'm telling you, it's going to make a world of difference. How you feel, how you look, how you feel about yourself. Just, you know, if you have any health issues, it's going to change a lot of things. So give it a try.